Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today's thali I'm going to dedicate to one of my closest friends, Bindya, who's no more. But it was she who taught me how to make the Chana Madra and the Kali Mirch ka murgh. So today let's see how to make these two amazing recipes which you can relish with your families as well. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil first. Once the mustard oil smokes, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, 5 green cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves and 10 peppercorns. And once the mustard oil and the spices release their aroma, I'm going to add whole red chilies, about 5 of them, a teaspoon of whole coriander seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste. I'm going to fry this for a few seconds. And now let's add 1 medium-sized onion that is finely chopped. And we have to saute the onions till they are translucent and soft. Don't brown them at all. Let's add 5 slit green chilies, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and here I have soaked 2 cups of chickpeas for about 8 hours and then boil them with some salt and turmeric. We'll add this as well. Now we're going to add 10 almonds which we had soaked and we have peeled them, about 10 raisins, and now let's mix this well. Now in 1.5 bowl of yogurt, I'm going to add a tablespoon of chickpea flour. You can also add rice flour to this and just mix this well. See that there are no lumps. Let's add this to the chickpeas. Mix it well. So we've added the chickpea flour to this curry because it's going to give a beautiful body to it. And now we are going to reduce the flame and boil it for at least 5 to 6 minutes till all the flavors merge very well. Let's adjust the seasoning. We've already added salt while we were boiling the chickpeas. Let's add a tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander to this, an inch of ginger juliennes, and let this curry simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes and it's going to be ready. Now let's begin with the Kali Mirch ka murgh. For that I have taken about a kilo of chicken. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of whole coriander seeds, 1.5 cup of yogurt, and some salt to taste. Let's mix this well. We'll continue with the recipe while the chicken is getting marinated. Let's heat a vessel. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee to this. And let's wait for the ghee to melt. The ghee has melted. Let's add 1 medium-sized onion that's finely chopped. And let's saute this till it's only soft and translucent. The onions are translucent. Let's add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, 7 to 8 green chilies. Remember that this curry is mildly flavored, so we're not adding too many chilies to this. Now let's saute this for a minute. Now let's add the marinated meat. Let's reduce the flame and just saute the chicken for a minute or two. You can see that the curd is releasing water. Let's add 3 tablespoons of cashew nut paste, a teaspoon of coarsely ground pepper powder. Let's mix this well. We'll add a cup of water to this. Just stir this a little bit. And we're going to cover this and cook on a low flame till the chicken is done, and occasionally we'll be stirring it as well. The chicken is almost done. What we'll do now is add almonds that have been soaked for about 8 hours and peeled. So I'm adding 10 almonds in this. A few strands of saffron. 1 inch of ginger that's been julienned. Let's sprinkle half a teaspoon of garam masala in this and 1/4 cup of cream. And another teaspoon of coarsely ground pepper powder. Let's mix this gently. Let's bring this curry to a boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And while the curry is boiling, let's quickly fix a salad. For the salad, I have got onion rings here, to which I'm going to add a tomato that is chopped, some salt, lemon juice, and coriander. So let's mix this. And our salad is ready as well. Let's quickly plate our dishes now. We're going to serve these dishes with some hot steamed rice. You can serve it with parathas as well. Do try all these recipes, let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.